Hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Nest. So in today's video, I will be painting on a glass. You can also use acrylic sheet or OHP sheet for this purpose. So here are some of the brushes that I will be using and acrylic paints. So let's get started. I have made a sketch on a white page that I will be tracing over the glass. For drawing the outline, I am using black color in my zero brush. This is how it will look once we finish the outlines. Now I will be removing the white page. Here I am using dark green color to make the veins of the leaves. Taking green color in my round brush and filling up the area of the leaf. Also I am using light green color to paint the outer portion of the leaf. Coloring this leaf also in same manner as the previous one. For painting the flowers, firstly I am making an outline using pink color. Filling up the in-between spaces using baby pink color. Similarly, I will be painting all the flowers here. Here I am using light orange color to paint the beak of the toucan bird. Adding a bit of black at the tip of the beak. Using white color in the lower portion of the neck. Adding some highlights using grey color. Now I will be using black color to paint the body of toucan bird. Here I am using red color to paint the middle portion of the flower. Once I am done with the middle portion, now I will be using pink color and light pink color to shade the petal of the flowers. Again, I am making the outline using pink color. Filling up the spaces using baby pink color. For painting this leaf, I am using dark green color. Filling up the spaces using green color. Here, I am using sky blue color for the background. Now, I will be flipping up the glass to see how the final piece looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.